Heading back out to Beach Road here. If you've seen episode 1, and if you haven't, you really should check it out. I've been riding Beach Road north from the suburb of Sandringham in Melbourne regularly. Here's a map to show you the ride. But for a change, on this ride I decided to head south. But that turned out to be a mistake. There was a bit of roadworks going on. I'm pretty sure at one point I was overtaken by a runner. So the ride south on Beach Road was a bit of a fizzer. A better ride was up to the Brighton Bathing Boxes. For those of you who don't know about the boxes, they are a row of wooden huts which line Brighton Beach here in Melbourne. Many were built over 100 years ago, and they provided somewhere for their owners to change, as changing on the beach wasn't permitted. Remember, they date back to Victorian times. And they provide a similar function today for their owners, plus an area to relax in the shade away from the sun. They are not for living in. Despite their small size and function, you'd be surprised how much they're worth. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. They don't come up for sale very often, but there were a couple of sales in 2019 for over $300,000. I hope you've enjoyed this trip to the Brighton Bathing Boxes. For more info on the boxes, check out the links in the description. And if you would like to have me check out a specific part of Melbourne for a future video, let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe.